What's good? What's good? Welcome back to For Sure Family with another video. This is the Tadpoles family coming to you with a dessert video. Today's dessert will be banana pudding. Old school banana pudding from scratch. But before I get into the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video. And if you're not a member of or you're not subscribed to our channel, subscribe to our channel. All right, today's ingredients that we'll be using in this old school or old fashioned, however you want to put it, banana pudding. Of course, I have my vanilla wafers. I have my bananas, right? I got my Carnation milk, of course. I have my pure vanilla extract. I have my sugar. Right now I'm sitting on about 2 cups of sugar. And of course I have my eggs. My mom gave me advice that you want to make sure that your eggs are at room temperature because they tend to go ahead and come together quite easily when they're at room temperature. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and separate my eggs off camera. And when I come back, my eggs will be separated and we'll go from there. Yep. All right, so I went ahead and separated my eggs off camera. Like I said, you're gonna need 7 eggs. So I have my eggs, my egg yolk here. Then I have the egg whites here for my meringue. I'm gonna go ahead and preheat my hot plate. I like to put that on medium. So here, you go ahead and add your Carnation milk. Like I said, it's just 1 can of it. Carnation milk. Then shake this up, my vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of that. Go ahead and add that. And this here thicken up as it warm up. So as that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and start layering my banana pudding. Get my bananas going. I'll turn this up some. Right now it's on medium. I turn it up between medium and high. Yes, sir. Old school. From scratch. I'll do a half of this one, 3rd banana. That. So half of that. Okay, a little bit over half. Then I'll work some more wafers in here. And this here is from scratch. Let me check on my pudding. Get back to that. Yes, sir. Turn it up a little bit more. All right, once that's going for a little bit, then I go ahead and add my sugar. And what I like to, I add about 1.5 cups. 1.5 cups of sugar. And the other half will be for your meringue. More. Okay, Yep, that's about a half. Now I can just stir that in. Oh, yes, sir. It's coming together. So I'll let that go for about a minute or two before I add my sugar. Break my yolk down. Add the carnation milk, the yolk, and the vanilla extract. Go ahead back to this, layering that. Got this banana here. Finish him up. Yeah, here Navy back there, Boston Terrier. Got her a toy for Christmas. Get out the kitchen, girl. Okay. The rest of that. I like to save a couple to dress up the edges. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, so my pudding now been going for about 5 to 7 minutes. It thickened up a little bit. So now it's ready to add to okay. What I like to do is just pour that. Yes, sir. Let's pour that all around. All right, it's time to work on my meringue. Like I said, I have a half a cup of sugar and just add this to the egg whites and go ahead. All right, so my meringue been going now for about 5 to 7 minutes. I went ahead and added another half a cup of sugar, right, to get the thickness of my meringue. Then I went ahead and turned it up. And once you find that texture that you're looking for, you there. All right, it's time to go ahead and add my meringue. What I like to do, I just like to take it and drop it. Then I spread it. Yes, sir. Meringue came out nice. Nice and fluffy. Yeah, I guess my next video I'm gonna do one with Navy, the Boston Terrier, since she wants to make herself present in my video. Okay, that's good. So I'm gonna go ahead and just spread it out. Make sure I get the edges good. don't know, Mama. I think mine look better than yours. Hey, make sure y'all check out Maddie's Kitchen. If you're not subscribed to her channel, subscribe to her channel. That's Maddie's Kitchen, Mattie apostrophe S Kitchen. So once I have it all smooth, what I like to do is layer the edges with the remaining wafers I have. It's all about that presentation. I went ahead and preheat the oven to broil, so I can just broil the top of the meringue to get that nice color. All right, here's my banana pudding. Just came out the oven. It was on broil for maybe 2 minutes or less. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and hit that bell notifications. Until next time, see ya.
This is a warm welcome from the bottom of our hearts from the Foreshore Family channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Until next time, see ya.